Everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to manually place your PlayStation 5 into the rest mode. So you don't have to have a controller nearby or anything like that. You can just press the power button. It'll place into rest mode. So if you don't have a remote, go to the front of the PlayStation 5, press the power button. So I'm going to show you where that is. So it's right next to the eject button. So if we go up to it and just press it once, it'll place into rest mode. Now if we hold this down, you will hear one beep and then you will hear another beep after like 2 seconds. That will completely 100% turn it off. It won't enter rest mode. So let's just press this once. You might have to hold it down for like a second. Then you'll see the lights on the side here. They're going to power down and then it's going to be like orange or red. And then that's an indication that it's in rest mode and it's not completely turned off. And if I were to scroll up, it's going to say no signal on the screen. But if you have any kind of like downloads or updates that you're trying to do when you're away, those should download now. So you can see orange light right there. We're good. It's in rest mode. And we scroll up. It says no signal on the TV, indicating our PlayStation 5 is in rest mode now. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more technical videos coming up next on YourSixTech.